are with the Bugs 2 at a little car park. You see, it's really grey. Just finding satellites. We've got 8. We can set. It says we can set off with 8. So 9 now. There she goes. First maiden flight. See how stable she is. It's so windy now, the wind's really got up. "18 satellites now. I best not take her out, go take her eye, but let's get her. I'm not going too high with this. The wind's really got up since I've been here. Oh, she flies so smooth. Right then, let's record ourselves, see what the video's like. Yeah, them trees are blowing now. Them trees are really blowing. I don't want to take her eye at all, it's just too windy. We got 11 satellites now. Whoa, big gust of wind. Gee. Take a photo. Do a return to home. Come down, baby. Cancel return to home. Do some recording. That wind's got up so much. But she's out. I've got out. It's going to absolutely pounce it down. Yeah. Oh, there's one big black cloud coming. Right then, I can feel rain. Let's drop her. Okay. Cheers, bud. Fucking nutters. I'm home now, out with Millie, and gosh, that was so windy. It did really well actually, wind. Not even a phantom, 3 or 4, woke up to that windy. It was so windy. For some unknown reason, the gods don't want me to fly. Um, so anyway, she's been out for a go, and it's a case of please some nice weather, just for 1 hour, even 10 minutes. So alright then guys, thanks for watching, catch you all later, ciao for now. Say ciao Millie. No, she's not interested.